Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 3rd, 2018. I got a few things I want to cover all in regards to Litecoin in this video. So I'm going to start off talking about Litecoin's price, breaking through the 200-hour moving average here on the hourly chart. I do want to cover this Steemit post by Haijen. It's circulating on Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, Slack, and Discord channels as well. It seems to be everywhere. And actually at the time of me making this video, Haijen posted a Bitcoin short-term target. Could exceed 8,100. Currently Bitcoin is at 73.80. So basically he's saying the short-term Bitcoin target would be above this line here. Potentially a really good time to enter maybe a swing trade or something like that, or at least that's what I'm going to be trying to do. So if we just want to start off looking at Litecoin on the hourly chart here, ever since Litecoin broke above the 100-hour and the 50-hour moving averages and was able to stay above those, Litecoin was actually recently able to get above the 200-hour moving average, which is right around 125 US dollars, and currently sits about 127.6. Volume is still relatively low, however there's not a lot of sell-side action, so that's enabling it to climb up a little bit. Basically though, that leads into this Steemit post by Haijen. So Litecoin is showing a twofer, a downward pointing bullish wedge, and a bull flag that appears to be complete. When consecutive bullish patterns show, the strength and distance of the probable breakout increases that much more. The below chart shows the final red wave, E, and this is talking about Elliott waves here, on the bull flag pattern could be placed. This means the ABCDE sequence has high probability of completion. Now check out the MACD, look familiar. The symmetrical triangle pattern is forming well within two contracting lines. The blue ABCDE for this are also complete, so what's next? Do you think this is the time to be taking selling or buying actions? On the high probability of a breakout, the below chart outlines a potential price pathway in a 5-wave impulse upward. And he illustrated that here, a potential scenario we could see. And he also illustrated here on the MACD what that would look like. So in my opinion, that's a good way to start off quarter 2, 2018, as April was the first day of quarter 2, 2018. And actually, since we started the video, Litecoin is at 128.2. And I'm sure after I make this video, there potentially could be another touch back to the 200-day moving average before we bounce back even higher. So I don't expect it to go from like 128 to 130 to 135 just continuously up. I think it might have to retest that 200-hour moving average here. And then I just wanted to go through this article, like I said, by Palwasha. Litecoin price prediction, Abra is the real game changer, not LitePay. And so she does reference the AMA that eCurrency holder conducted on Reddit yesterday with Bill Hardit, the CEO of Abra. It basically highlights why Abra is important. I like this sentence here. Now that we're learning more and more about this application, which is Abra, it's becoming crystal clear why Litecoin founder Charlie Lee called it a huge unexpected surprise. Most Litecoin holders were initially unhappy with what they thought was an underwhelming surprise. A smartphone application, what's so fancy about it? Well, a lot of things, as we're finding out now. And so 4 key points that she took away from the AMA yesterday, conducted by eCurrency Hodler on Reddit. Abra is the only merchant on Amex's platform that currently allows buying and selling with Bitcoin and soon Litecoin. Abra user base doubled in the most recent month, making it the best month so far in its brief history since its launch. It may soon be in the same league as major exchanges like US-based Coinbase, as users turn away from the more complex, centralized, and less secure exchanges such as Coinbase. Abra is working on adding additional credit cards, including Visa and MasterCard, and it also works as partnership with SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, where investors in the European nations may soon be able to open Abra accounts linked with their banks, just like American and Filipino users. Litecoin is the only Bitcoin baby that is genetically a clone of its parent and yet is more scalable and more cost efficient, and that is why Abra chose Litecoin. And it ends here with a price prediction. The Abra CEO's successful Reddit AMA session has revealed quite a few new things about this game-changing Litecoin application. As investors begin to see its real potential, they'll hopefully forget the LitePay debacle and identify Litecoin for its true value, which coincides with our bullish Litecoin prediction with a Litecoin price target of 400 US dollars. So I think at this point, a $400 Litecoin price prediction is something people will get excited about. That's basically the all-time high of Litecoin, give or take of $20 or $40. But yeah, to sum it up, the AML with Bill Hardit went very well, much better than the LitePay AMA a few weeks ago. And actually, since I made the video, Litecoin's actually gone up probably about $1. So we're at 128.3. Again, I think it's possible within the next few hours we might have to touch back on this 200-hour moving average, maybe for support before we bounce higher. But I think the key point to take away here is that we didn't actually break below those previous lows in February. which was really crucial. Like I was saying, you know, if we stay above 110 and don't get close to 100, I would say I'd be extremely bullish on it. And so far we haven't, and it's looking really good right now. It's up already $20 since I made that video 2 days ago. So I'm feeling really good about Litecoin, not only its price, technologically, especially after that AMA went really well with him. Bill seems to really be on top of his stuff, especially compared to other projects that I won't mention, but I'm sure you're aware of. But yes, thanks for coming by. Actually, Litecoin just touched on 129 US dollars. If you like this video, please consider giving a like and subscribing, and I hope everyone has a great day.